Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series. I am Greg Sullivan. We are recreating the information overlay from Apple Fitness Plus using React and advanced CSS techniques. This tutorial is pretty quick and easy. We're just creating our video player component. We're going to get our video playing on the screen, and we're going to get it styled up there the way we want it to fit into our project. This component is incredibly important. Later on, we will use it to drive all of the interactions from our external metadata so that when things happen in the video, our interface can react to those. But for now, we're just going to keep it simple and get it playing on the screen. So let's get after it. All right, the first thing we need to do to create our video player component is have a video. Let's grab all of our assets. Here's our video, and the rest of the assets we'll need for the project from the zip file you downloaded from my website or are pausing this video to download right now from the link that's somewhere nearby. Next thing we need is to create our video player component. So we're actually going to create a components directory, and we're going to create a video player directory. Then we're going to create video player.tsx. I have a great plugin called React Boilerplate that you should grab. It allows you to do this. Type React props. It'll automatically add all the boilerplate for you. Call it video player. And the only prop we need is a source. We're going to pass in the video. This component will get updated quite a bit as the project goes on, but for now, we're set. Save that up. Let's change this to a div and give it a class name of video holder, if I can remember how to type. And we're going to give a video with a source of source. We want controls, and we want to loop during development just for ease of developing. I forgot to pass the prop, so we'll just pass that right there. Save that up. Now let's go to app, and the first thing we want to do is import our video. Import, we'll call it workout video from our assets directory. We'll get mock video. Then we want to come down here and import our new video player component. Video, you can see it down here, video player source equals, and we'll pass it the workout video. Close the component, save it up, and here's the video. Hello everyone, and welcome to this simulated 90 second. Okay, I made this video in Blender in about half an hour using Mixamo assets and motion capture data, and it's a little bit janky. A little bit of the dead eye, a little bit of the weird hands, a little bit of floating during the push-ups that we're going to see later. Be kind. I just made it very quickly so you would have a cool piece of video to work off of, and I wouldn't get in trouble for copyright issues. So let's do a little bit of CSS to clean this up. First of all, there's big old padding here, and that is because if you open up app.css, that came with Vite installation, I forgot to delete all that during the setup. So just delete all of that, and we're already quite a bit better. Now let's go into our video player folder and create a new file, call it video player.css. And you want to put this here so that you can later on create a package JSON for the video player and make it more transportable. I like to put my CSS off to the side so I can work on my CSS and component at the same time. My text is pretty zoomed in because I'm recording this video, so this might not be quite as pretty, but we gave it that class of video holder. So let's go video holder, and let's do a position absolute. We want this to have a height of 100%. We want this to have a width of 100%. We want this to have a min width of 100% and a min height of 100%. We want to put this at the top and the left. And then the video player itself, it's going to need widths and heights of 100%. And we got to import the CSS to our video player. So import. There you go. And now you can see our video fits nicely to the screen. Now there's two things I like to always do to my CSS. I'll show you this once and then I won't do it anymore. I have a plugin called Better Tabs. I think that's what it's called. I'll link to it. You select everything you want to align and you hit Alt-A on a PC, probably Command-A on a Mac. And then I like to go F1 and do post CSS sorting. That alphabetizes your properties so that they're easier to find. And it creates a really nice, good-looking, easily editable CSS folder. Hi, Greg from The Edit. Apparently Alphabetize CSS is a plugin. I've had it so long I forgot, so I'm going to link to it down below. It's a really good one. So now we have video component on the stage.
Second push-up and burpee workout.
I told you, it's a quick and easy one. We've got our video on the screen, and it is playing and roughly styled in the way we want it. So there you go. We're done here. In the next part of this series, we're going to rough in the rest of the interface. We're going to put in a font and get it all just slopped together so that we can really wade into the details and the part after that. So see you then.